And he's getting this car inspected, so clear up his headlights for free. Got some off deep woods, baby. Oh, there it goes. Alright, let it sit for a second. Boom. Gets all that haze off. Look at that. And then what I do is I put a little bit of mother's wax right on top after I clean this off. Look at that. Alright, boom, another foggy one. This is real time. This is real time. And boom, we're going to pass Pennsylvania inspection all of a sudden. Then I hit them with a little water. Dry that water off real quick. By the time you get your wax out in the sunlight, that lens will be dry. Then I bust out the old school. Sorry guys, I don't like that new ceramic coating stuff. That's not me, but it's cool. All this is going to do is hide some scratches, keep a good protective coating on it, and quite frankly, just keep it nice till this guy gets it inspected. Alright, like, they're not perfect, right? But for a 2004, they're going to pass, and what do you want for just a quick bug spray?